This building, Casa Sui or Sui House, designed by Nydia Duarte Arquitectura, was erected in just 20 days on the iconic garden of Palácio das Mangabeiras, in the capital of Minas Gerais, Brazil. Sui House was built having a horizontal, linear format and a purposefully set back base, which is embraced by nature on each side. Sets of two folding pivoting doors symmetrically spaced from each other extend throughout the whole length of the facade, inviting one to contemplate the various angles of the surrounding landscape. Besides opening and closing, will these sets of doors also beautify the pavilion by displaying manually woven nautical ropes over their glass that not only filter natural lighting but also provides an ephemeral game of light and shadow within. A cozy breakfast area adjacent to the front porch provides a relaxing atmosphere that mingles sofas and trees surrounded by a gorgeous garden. An iron and wood chaise, designed by André Ferry, an artist from Minas Gerais state, is suitable for moments of reading amidst the pleasant nature. The gourmet living area is a true ode to both family gatherings and informal meetings. The kitchen island with the attached table and the organic couch creates a direct connection with the more fluid layout of the project. Some other highlights are the rough wood finishing of the shelves, in which an array of ceramic dishes rest, a climate-controlled wine cellar, a minibar, and even an area dedicated exclusively to a coffee corner. In a more secluded area, we find the bedroom framed in a wooden structure, following the same detached concept of the project. The bed is set at the center of the room, facing the outside garden. On one side of the room lies the Sui reclining chair, which was designed by the architect exclusively for this display room, besides some paintings by Daniel Mansour. Behind the bed raises an emerald green quartzite panel that serves as both the headboard and the wall that gives privacy to the bathroom behind it. The bathroom has a relaxing soaking tub and also a beehive-shaped bookcase. Modules of 6 meters were cut from 12-meter metallic bars to optimize the usage of the materials, the ease of execution, and the speed of the process, thus making this building easily adaptable to any location. The punctuated lighting values the volume, textures, and elements that deserve to be highlighted.